Hi everyone and welcome back to Grade 12 Math with Mr. Simons, where we make math simple. We get you exam ready. Right, so here we look at the arithmetic sequence with two unknowns. So when I mean two unknowns, we're going to test your knowledge of simultaneous equations. So we're looking at November 2020 and June 2016. Right, so let's look at the first question and its solution. So they say November 2020, 7xy minus 11 is an arithmetic sequence. Determine the value of x and y for 4 marks. So because I gave you 4 marks, because I stated it's arithmetic sequence, I can say term 2 minus term 1 must equal term 3 minus term 2. Same thing applies. I can say term 4 minus term 3 must equal term 3 minus term 2. Right? So if I substitute, term 2 is x, term 1 is 7. Term 3 is y, term 2 is negative x. Term 3 here is y minus term 2, which is x, equal term 4, which is negative 11, minus term 3, which is minus y. If I take x over, x plus x would become 2x minus 7 equal y. That's my equation 1. If I take y over here, y plus y gives me 2y. Bring negative 11 over, plus 11, and negative x goes that way. So here in the place of x, right, or in the place of y, we can substitute. So y equal 2x minus 7. So I've used y. So there, my y became 2x minus 7 plus 11 equal x. 2 times 2x gives me 4x. 2 times negative 7 gives me negative 14 plus 11. Right, minus 14 plus 11 would give me negative 3. If I take it to the other side, positive 3. 4x minus x would give me 3x. 3 divided by 3, x equal 1. Right, and if I take 1 back into any one of the equations, 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 7 gives me negative 5. So y equal negative 5. Right, so hope you follow, hope you understand. Let's look at the next exam question. Right, given the arithmetic series a plus 13 plus b plus 27 plus continuing June 2016, here they say show that a equals 6 and b equal 20. So again, term 2 minus term 1 must equal term 3 minus term 2 because it's an arithmetic sequence. Term 4 minus term 3 must equal term 3 minus term 2. So term 2, 13 minus a equal term 3 minus term 2, so b minus 13. So I take negative 13 over 13 plus 13, 26. So 26 minus a equal b, equation 1. Right, term 3 here, b minus 13, which is term 2, term 4, 27 minus b. Right, minus b plus b gives me 2b. 27, if I take negative 13 over, would give me 40. So there I could have just said 40 divided by 2 and I would get b equal to 20. Right, but we'll go via substitution. So there in the place of b, I substitute 26 minus a because that's what b is there. 2 times 26 gives me 52. 2 times negative a gives me negative 2a equal 40. 40 minus 52 gives me negative 12. Negative 12 divided by negative 2 gives me 6, so a equal to 6. Therefore, if I substitute in there for b, 26 minus 6 gives me b equal to 20. Right, let's look at another exam question. Right, and this is now June 2016, the last one. So calculate the sum of the first 20 terms of the series. So generally when you see there Simon's Tuition Center, my sticker, right, or my small little thumbnail, you should know we're ending or getting to the end of the slides. Calculate the sum of the first 20 terms of the series. So they gave me 6, 13, 20, 27. So A is 6, D is 13 minus 6, which gives me 7, and we want 20 terms, so N is 20. In the place of N, 20. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 times 7 plus 12 times 10 would give me 1,450. Right? 2 marks for correct substitution, 1 for N, 1 for A and D, and 1 for my correct answer. Right, and then here write the series in question 2.1.2 in sigma notation. So we know a equals 6, we add t, which is equal to 7. We must find the Tn formula to write something in sigma notation. So Tn equal a plus n minus 1 times d, a being 6, d being 7, 7 times n, 7n, 7 times minus 1, negative 7, plus 6. Minus 7 plus 6 would give me negative 1. So Tn equals 7n minus 1. So there my equation is 7n minus 1. It starts by term 1. So if I put 1 in there, 7 times 1 is 7. Minus 1 gives me 6, which is my first term. And it goes all the way to the n term. In this case, I could have gone to the 20th term. So there instead of writing n, I could write 20, right? So hope you enjoyed the lesson. Please like and subscribe. Please continue practicing. I wish you nothing but the best. God bless. Bye.